Considering dipping your toes into the smart lighting pool, a starter kit is an ideal way to get multiple lights and everything you need to kick things off. I'm Erin for TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I've been using Philips Hue lights for several years now, but I've never actually sat down to review their basic starter kit. So here goes. An early heads up that if you end up liking this video, to please hit that like button and give me a sub, because it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. And don't forget, you can always follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.
Philips Hue are color-changing light bulbs that can be controlled with your smartphone or your voice with Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. You can brighten, dim, turn them on and off, and more. You can also set timers and schedules to automate these lights so they're on when you wake up or they turn off when you leave the house. You do need what's called a bridge for these lights to work, and it's included in your starter kit. The bridge is what connects your lights to your home's Wi-Fi network.
Philips Hue does now have Bluetooth-only lights that don't need a bridge, but they are a bit more limited in function. You can check out that review here on the channel as well. Now, getting Philips Hue lighting set up has been really easy for me. When you do your initial setup, you'll install your bridge, but from then on, adding lights is fast and easy.
Your bridge does need to be physically connected to your modem or router to link your bulbs to Wi-Fi, so plug it in using an Ethernet cable and then download the Hue app.
The Philips Hue app will walk you through what to do. Essentially, set up your account, link your bridge, and then you can connect your individual lights. With the bridge installed and connected to your app, you will be able to start adding those lights by going into the app and then find Settings. You'll see Light Setup. Again, the app walks you through what to do. It'll search for and find the bulbs, and then you can rename them for easier recognition and for voice control later on. From there, you can control them immediately using the app, or you can continue on and set up Google or Alexa connectivity.
The Philips Hue app is a really easy-to-use interface. You can change the colors, adjust the different shades of white light if you prefer that. You can brighten, dim, set timers, and more. In the app, you can also set routines so that one command or click will control a bunch of lights, and you can assign lights to rooms or group them or add accessories like a motion sensor too.
There are a couple of extra steps to get your lights connected to Google Home or to Amazon Alexa.
To use Google Home, go to the Google Home app and choose Add, which is the plus symbol in the top left. Then choose Set Up Device and select Have Something Already Set Up. Though this may seem counterintuitive, it's a faster way. If you choose Set Up a New Device, you'll need to add lights individually. Doing it my way adds the entire group. You'll get a list of compatible brands, so scroll down until you see Philips Hue, and then you'll need to sign into your Hue account. Then you'll need to link your bridge by going to it and pressing the button on top.
Once that's done, you can ask your assistant to sync my lights. From there, you can use the names that you set them up with in the Hue app to ask Google or Alexa to control them.
Alexa setup is similar. Go to the Alexa app and choose Skills and Games from the hamburger menu at the top left. Search Philips Hue and click Enable to Use. Again, you'll need to sign into your Philips Hue account to connect it.
If you're wondering if you should make the jump to smart lighting, you might be wondering what they can do in your home. Smart lights are remotely operated lights that can be controlled by your smartphone, your tablet, or using that voice control option we talked about. They often have the ability to display an entire rainbow of colors, plus different tones of warm or cool white light.
You can start placing other smart lights around your house. The Philips Hue play bars around your TV, for instance, so you can match the colors of a movie night, for example. With the addition of a device called the Philips Hue HDMI Sync Box, you can actually have the lights in the room mimic what's happening on your TV or your computer. Smart lights like the Philips Hue Starter Kit can set the right mood for you. Use them for holiday themes or turn them peachy yellow for that candlelit style glow for a dinner party.
I really love this aspect. I find that the colors of my lights in my home can actually help me feel warmer or cooler. Set the lights to green, blue, or purple when it's really hot outside. Cool colored lighting can make you feel cooler overall, in my personal experience. Red, orange, and yellow light gives your home a warmer glow for instant coziness, particularly during the winter.
I've also got Philips Hue outdoor lights to keep the yard safe and well lit as well. You can check out my review of that outdoor lineup here on the channel too.
You can also set up your Philips Hue lights to be controlled using geofences, and that means that when you arrive home, for example, the lights know it and can turn on automatically. It's using the location detection in your smartphone usually. So similarly, when you leave home, the lights will shut off. The sky's the limit when it comes to ways to use this lighting. Overall, I've been using Philips Hue for several years now, and it's really the only brand that I've been recommending when folks ask me about smart lighting. It's easy to set up, easy to use, it's got a lot of great features, and it runs completely bug-free in my experience. I've also not really been able to find a downside to this system. I usually try to point out some areas where a product could improve in my reviews, but in this case, Philips is pretty great as is, and it keeps getting better with the addition of new lights, accessories, and all kinds of different features. I've recommended Hue for a long time, and I continue to. The starter kit with 4 bulbs and the hub here sells for about 135 Canadian dollars, and you can get it from places like Best Buy or Amazon. If you want to read more about it, head over to techgadgetscanada.com, where I've posted a full blog, and you can ask me any questions you have about the starter kit or any of the other Philips Hue lights that I've reviewed there on the blog or here on the YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. You can catch me on Twitter or Instagram until the next time. I'm at Erin LYYC. You can also always find me at facebook.com/techgadgetscanada. And a final reminder, if you did like this video and found it helpful, to please hit that like button and give me a sub, because it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from.